it's me, Zara Films, and today we're going to be cleaning my desk because it's really messy, and I mean, why not? So let's get on to the video. This is literally what my desk looks like, and it's like so messy, and I really need to clean it because it's just like, okay, so right here I have like a big stack. I have like some binders and some like electronics. So what I'm gonna do is I have a bunch of papers, so I need to organize my papers and like put them all in what binders are supposed to be. So yeah. Okay, so I briefly explained this like before I did the time lapse, but I just kind of put all my papers like in the binders that they were supposed to be in because I had a like big stack of papers. And if you see me like leave for a little bit, it's because I was just like putting them away because some of my binders are out of frame. But yeah. This is what the area looks like now, and it looks like a lot better and a lot cleaner. And I think I'm gonna keep my binders in my backpack and just have those there. But yeah, it's like really organized, and yeah, so let's move on to the next section. This is the next part, and there's like a lot of stuff as you can see, but like what I want to do is there's actually like in here they like don't stay as down because there's like little erasers and old stuff in there, and there's like a random card, like there's just random stuff here, and I want to just clean that out. So basically I just took out all the pens and pencils and cleared out all the old stuff, and I ended up being able to fit all of the like markers all into one cup holder, so that was kind of nice. So my desk is like, the actual desk is kind of dirty because this is actually my this is my art desk, so I did all my crafting stuff on it. That's why there's like paint and stuff. I also do have another desk over there in my room, which I can show you guys later, but you've also seen it in like other videos. But yeah, this is what my desk looks like now, and from above it's like kind of messier, but I actually ended up fitting all my markers that I have on this desk in one, and so then I just put like some stuff in here. So we have my like speaker, my chapstick, erasers, some like paper clips and stuff, and this one just stayed the same, but I should probably take these like snacks out of here because I'm not really eating that anymore. And then we also have I also have some graphite on the walls from the pencil scratching it, so like I probably should should erase that off the wall. And I also have this, which I can show you guys how to make, and it looks kind of frayed now because there was like this before when it was first printed out, but it kind of looks like a little collage, which I can show you guys in another video. But now let's like work on this little small thing right here, and I also want to paint this, so that might be cool. But yeah, let's just like clean up this area and put some stuff away. I also took some stuff out of this candle because there was like a bunch of random stuff in there, so I just took that out. I put my water bottle over there, and then I put my calculator over there, and then I put like the little squishy guy who's in like literally all of my videos right here. So I do have more stuff on my desk, like this stuff, and this is actually from like old paper that used to be here, but like I do have these stuff and this. I just need to put that away, but that will be part of my next time lapse because I'm going to be cleaning out like my bottom area. As you can see, it's very dirty. There's a lot of stuff there, so let's go clean that up. I didn't need to really like throw anything out. I just needed to like move some stuff around so that it looked a bit more organized. So this is what the like area looks like now. I also have this, which is like from a long time ago, when I don't know if you guys did this, but like the little like friendship bracelet stuff. But yeah, there's also like my old lamp down there in case I need to use that. And then I have some of these. Let's move on to, I guess, underneath my desk because that's like really messy. So I didn't do a time lapse, but I am going to take this. I cleared the bottom area, but I'm going to take this because I have a bunch of cords under here, as you can see, and this used to be under because I have a loft bed, so it was underneath my loft bed for like different like chargers, but I honestly don't use it down there, and I think it would be like much more efficient over here, so we're just going to add that in. Okay, so I finished putting that in, and this is out because I am charging my phone, but basically I have everything over there, and even though it looks kind of hectic, it's a lot better instead of like cords lying on the ground because I couldn't plug them in. So now we're gonna move on to this area, like right here, because it's also kind of messy, just like what I did with the other area. I finished cleaning the area, and there was just some loose papers that I just took out, But I'm actually done cleaning my desk. So this is like the bottom area. This is what the top area looks like. And that bottom area again, then my chargers. And yes, there's still like a lot of stuff on here because I can't really get that out, which is kind of sad. But, you know, it looks a lot better and a lot cleaner. So I decided to put some of my school stuff here because this is actually a door because my brother, like the bathroom is connected, but I have another bathroom, so this is my brother's bathroom. But anyways, my backpack's here, and then I just put my binders here so that when I have class I can just like go and grab it, and it's just kind of accessible, kind of like if it was like a locker. But yeah, this is what my desk looks like. Thank you guys so much for watching, and I'll see you guys in the next video. Bye.